How to disable dictation on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and now tap on general and then scroll down and you will see the option for keyboard. Tap on that and now go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for enable dictation, and with this toggle button for dictation will be disabled and dictation will no longer be available on your iPhone. So this was about how you can disable dictation on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.